Hello, this is Adventure Map.
And me and Joshua change, and he will be on the recording now, and I am not.
Cool.
Okay, Joshua will nine. Get the phone like this.
Torch. Okay.
Have any wood?
Now, yeps.
Can I have some?
How many? Half?
Wait.
TP.
No. I'm just gonna wait for this.
Sorry, it's laggy. I'll get some torch.
No.
Okay. That's mine. That's mine. That's mine.
No. Wait.
Lag.
Okay. Got a pack.
You'll use your horse?
Yeah.
Um,
And maybe get a fence, Joshua, to stay the horse there.
okay. Do you have a lead?
No.
Get the lead from your horse, you idiots.
How to make a lead?
I don't know. Just find it. What do I
grab
do?
39 torches.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Peter.
And I got my iron pickaxe. Yum yum yum.
Right click the fence when where if you're
Wait, I forgot my weapon.
hello. Hi. Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Okay, I got my iron. I'm not gonna use my pickaxe. I'm not gonna use my iron pickaxe. I'm gonna use this stone axe. I sharpen stone. Let's go, Doctor.
This way. Getting us some fence.
No. Ooh. Yeah, I see seven. A bad move.
Yeah, sure. I just give that to you, you asshole.
Okay, I'm riding the horse.
Where's your horse?
Inside. Oh,
Like this. Wait.
hey, what are you disassembling my house?
Go out.
Make a doorbell.
Okay.
No. Yeah, I know.
What about your house?
Have it.
Here, I'll give you your door and your 1, 2. There you go.
Alright, let's go.
Wait,
Wait, where's my fence? I forgot.
I have your fence. I have a fence, you idiot.
You need.
Half of it. You got 7, I got 8.
Okay, let's go.
Wait. Wait. So laggy, man.
But first, let's do horse racing, man.
Nah. Guys, I need a new computer. Where's my horse?
Where are you, man? Let's go. I'm gonna follow you.
Okay.
Dude, wait for me, please. Wait for me. Okay, you run now.
Going first? I'm going?
Me, no, follow me.
No, follow me.
You asshole.
Do you have a lead?
Huh?
Do you have a lead?
Yeah.
Okay. Jump! Yeah! Yeah, make it. I make it. Pigs.
It's a cave, man.
What?
A cave! I said we're finding a cave. I'm just following you.
Finding a cave? What?
Follow me.
Okay. Where are you?
Follow me.
Stop, I'm not seeing you.
Let's see. Levels.